Increasingly, countries rely on drones and unmanned autonomous systems during warfare and military operations, as they provide low-cost, low-risk alternative to traditional options. During Artsakh or Karabakh War of 2020, where Azerbaijan heavily relied on Israeli and Turkish-provided drones to destroy Armenian air defenses and support their ground troops, Armenia relied more on traditional options, which resulted in a disaster. Moreover, important role of drones became even more apparent during Ukraine and Russia war. Russia started to rely more and more on Iranian Shahed drones to strike Ukraine, whereas Ukraine started to use locally made drones to strike deep in Russia, the oil fields, factories and military bases. FPV drone usage became ubiquitous on battlefield. Afterwards, during Israel, US and Iran war, drones have proven indispensable in asymmetric warfare. Launched in huge numbers, low-cost Iranian Shahed drones were penetrating several layers of air defenses and destroying expensive US radars and aircrafts on the ground in several countries in the region. In the aftermath of Artsakh-Karabakh war, Armenia has started to develop its own drones to counter regional threats. On 28th of May, Armenia has showcased its locally manufactured drones during the Republic Day parade. Afterwards, on 4th of June, drones were exhibited for the public in Karen Demircan Sport Complex in capital city, Yerevan. The exhibited lineup included long-range radar, radio-electronic warfare systems for jamming and spoofing, multiple rocket launchers, and of course several types of UAVs. The UAV lineup included reconnaissance and strike drones with different ranges and warhead capabilities. The most of drones utilize advanced inertial guidance systems along with GPS, GNSS systems and capable of working in GNSS signal denied areas and places with heavy radioelectronic interference. UAV lineup also included fiber optic controlled FPV drones capable of carrying anti-tank or anti-infantry warheads. This exhibition has shown that Armenia has developed significant drone capabilities in past short few years.